In this question, we have to find sum of the infinite series. So first of all, I'm going to open up the bracket. That is going to give me 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 5 power 4 minus 1 by 5 square into 7 square. Next, it will be 1 by 5 to the power 6 minus 1 by 5 cube into 7 cube, and this is going to continue till infinite number of terms. So this series is basically made up of two infinite GP. So I'm going to split this and write it as 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 6, continue till infinite number of terms, and a minus taken common outside. So next series it will be 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 5 square into 7 square plus 1 by 5 cube into 7 cube, continue till infinite number of terms. So we have the formula for calculating sum of infinite GP as a divided by 1 minus r. So a is going to be 1 by 5 square here, r is also 1 by 5 square, minus first term is 1 by 5 into 7, r is also 1 by 5 into 7. When simplified, this is going to be a 1 by 25, this is going to be a 24 by 25, and 1 by 35 divided by a 34 by 35. So 25 25 remove, 35 35 knocked off, so I'm going to get 1 by 24 minus 1 by 34. When simplified, the answer is going to be 5 divided by 408. So option B is the answer for this question.